Hello my dear lovely students, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to learn about clock and calendar numbers, which is from class 6 chapter 3 Numberplay. So let's get started. On a usual 12-hour clock we see many interesting number patterns in the time. Sometimes look the same when read from the left to right and right to left. These are special number patterns. For example, 444, 10, 10, 12, 21. If you observe carefully, the digits repeat are from a mirror image. Next, they ask, try and find out all possible times on a 12-hour clock of each of these types. So let's look at each type of one by one. First one is repeating digits. These are times where the hour and minute digit repeats. Example 111, 222, 333, 444, 555. After this 666 is not possible because minutes will go only from 0 to 59. Next type is same hour, same minute. These are the times where the hour hand and minute are exactly the same. Example 101, 202, 303, 404, 505, 606, 707, 808, 909, 10, 10, 11, 11 and 12, 12. These are the times where the pattern is simply the same number repeated. The last one, palindromic times. What is palindromic? Number is one that looks the same forward and backward. Some palindromic times on a clock are 1, 10, 220, 330, 440, 550, 10, 01, 11, 11, 12, 21. These times read the same from the both sides. Next, Manish has his birthday on 20, 12, 20, 12, where the digits 2, 0, 1 and 2 repeat in that order. If you look at 20, 12, 20, 12, the digits 2, 0, 1, 2 appear in the exact same order in the year. So the pattern is repeating. Next question, find some other dates of this form from the past. The year must start with the same 4 digits that appear in the date. So the examples are 21, 2001, 22, 2002, 23, 2003, 24, 2004, 25, 2005 up to 2012. Now let's also mention the dates that not exist. 2025 will not come because 25th month does not exist. Next, 1930 will not come because 30th month does not exist. Only months 1 to 12 are possible. Next, his sister Meghana has her birthday on 11/02/2011, where the digits read the same from the left to right and right to left. This is palindromic data. If you remove the dashes and write it as 11/02/2011, it reads the same forward and backwards. So this is a palindromic data. Next, they ask to find all possible dates of this from the past. Some correct examples from the past are 22, 2002, 10, 02, 2001, 01, 02, 2010, 11, 02, 2011, 20, 02, 2012, 02, 02, 2020, 12, 02, 2021, 22, 02, 2022. Dates like 13, 31, 20, 31 will not come because 31st month does not exist. Next, Jeevan was looking at this year's calendar. He started wondering, why should we change the calendar every year? Can we not reuse a calendar? What do you think? Let's understand this. Every year, the dates and the days of the week change. For example, 1st January 2025 is a Wednesday. 1st January 2026 will fall on a Thursday. 1st January 2024 is on Monday. 1st January 2023 is on Sunday. Because the starting day keeps changing, the previous year's calendars will not match the next year's dates. So we cannot reuse a calendar immediately the next year. But can we ever reuse a calendar? No, we cannot reuse a calendar next year, but we can reuse a calendar after certain number of years. This happens because the number of days in a year is 365, but every 4 years we get a leap year with 366 days. You might have noticed last year's calendar was different from this year's also. Next year's calendar is also different from the previous years. But will any year's calendar repeat again after some years? Will all dates and days in a year match exactly with that of another year? Yes, every year's calendar eventually repeats after a certain number of years. This happens because the number of days keeps shifting every year. Some years are normal years with 365 days, some years are leap years with 366 days. Because of this, the starting weekday changes every year. After few years, the same pattern comes back again and the full calendar repeats. Will all dates and days in a year match exactly with that of another year? Yes, for example, calendar of year 2031 will be exactly same as the calendar 2025. In this video, we learned special times on the clock like repeating times and palindromic times. We understood unique date patterns in the calendar, and we also learned why calendars change every year and how they repeat after some years. I hope you understand today's video clearly. If you have any doubts regarding this, please ask me in the comment section. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next video.